this demo, we will show you how you can use Okera to discover and protect sensitive data on your Azure data lake. By 1, using our crawler to discover your data and automatically classify any personally identifiable information. 2, define fine-grained access policies within Okera. And 3, have those policies consistently and dynamically be enforced at scale for the same user, regardless of what tool they are using. First, let's start with discovering datasets that are not yet registered in the Azure data lake. You can create a crawler on an ADLS directory. In order to find and secure sensitive data at scale, Okera also has auto-classification that automatically suggests tags according to rules that identify common PII data. Once this crawl is complete, you can click into it and you see that it discovered one unregistered dataset. You can click this toggle to also see everything in this directory that was already registered. This ensures that you're cataloging all your data. If you preview this dataset, you can see that it's full of sample PII data. If we view the schema, you can see that Okera has automatically applied tags on several of the PII columns, such as phone number, email address, and credit card number. Now you can register this dataset called user account data inside the marketing database. Let's now navigate to the dataset page, and you can see that this dataset is now in the catalog with all of its tags. Once we've registered our data, the next step is managing access to it. One of the biggest benefits of automatically tagging datasets is to have attribute-based access policies automatically apply from the moment sensitive data is registered in the catalog. Here we are going to create an ABAC policy using the Okera Visual Policy Builder to grant access to the user account activity dataset we just registered. However, any user with the marketing analyst role should not have access to any column tagged as credit card number, since they don't need the credit card number to create marketing campaigns. Over here on the right, you can see a natural language summary of the policy before you run it. Now let's switch over to the marketing analyst. As you can see, they now have access to this dataset, except for the credit card number column. Now let's demonstrate that data consumers can query this data in any tool of their choice, and the exact same policies will always be applied. Here we have connected Tableau to Okera using the JDBC interface, and we are logged in as the marketing analyst user. If we query this dataset in Tableau, you will see the attribute-based policy applied, and the credit card number is still not visible. Now let's open up an Azure on Databricks notebook and query this exact same dataset as this analyst user using Spark. Once again, you will see that the exact same policy is enforced. An important point to note here is that no copies of the data were created to enforce these policies, ensuring a seamless experience for your data consumers. As you have seen, Okera discovers and secures sensitive data in your Azure data lake at scale. It allows you to create and manage dynamic and granular access policies that are consistently enforced across any tool, without creating any copies of the data. You're also able to have full visibility into the audit trail, which you can check out in one of our other demo videos.